In some sad news, Anthony Bourdon's Supercross season is done, saying on his Instagram today, quote, SX season is already over. Now, the rest of it's in French, so this is Google Translate, so sorry if it's not correct. I don't speak French fluently, so here's what it is. Saying, quote, it's hard to find the words. The motorcycle malfunctioned during a sequence of maneuvers in practice. The result? Multiple fractures in both wrists and ligament damage. Surgery is required. This was clearly not the start of the season I wanted. Having joined the team at the last minute, I struggled to adapt to the bike, and the results didn't reflect my true potential. We had just found some solutions, and now everything stops again because of a mechanical problem. Thank you for all the support, my loved ones, my friends, and my family who are always there for me. Now, from what you can, or what I can find from some basic searching, this may not be completely correct, but I'm just saying what I can see and what I'm telling you. It sounds like it was a fuel pump issue. So, who knows? Maybe bike going off to face the jump, lost fuel pump, lost fuel pressure, and we all know what happens when you don't have the speed you need going off of a jump. Who knows? That could be completely wrong. It could be in the whoops or something, whatever. But it still sucks. I mean, obviously, this is a really bad injury. You have both your wrists broken at the same time. Your life is just going to be shit. Let's be honest here. Everything you do, there's nothing you can do for yourself now. Everything is going to have to be helped by somebody else because you can't even, lift a coffee cup or drink some water. Everything is, cast on both arms, and it sucks to see. I mean, knock on wood, it's not horrible, and the surgery goes well, and, recovery is a quick and hopefully 100%. But I don't know. Go over to his Instagram, comment down below on it, give him some well wishes, whatever it is. And with that, I will see y'all later. Make sure to comment down below here, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things. It does really help me out, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.